Hey guys, Dave here. Today we are unboxing the Zoom F2 field recorder. So this is going to be paired with my Osmo Action 3, which I have here, which I just unboxed. And we're going to be just taking a look at what's inside the contents of the Zoom F2. So this is an interesting audio recorder. So it's got the audio recorder and the lavalier mic, and it uses 32-bit float audio to record. So that's pretty cool. And we're going to talk about that in more depth, but for this little video, we're just going to do an unboxing. So let's go ahead and open it and see what's in the box. So here, oh man, this thing is tiny. It is quite small. Never had a field recorder before. Ooh, it's extremely lightweight. Here's the field recorder. It's got a little clip on the back. Looks like we have our input and output. We have our micro SD card slot. We have, or maybe it's in here. That might be. Oh no, that's the USB-C connection. We have our micro SD slot. The pretty, everyone says this is extremely flimsy, and it is. It's not the sturdiest I've ever felt, but I'm probably just going to put some tape over it, and I'm going to be using USB-C to connect this up to my computer, and I'm really never going to unplug it again. And then let's see, we have, I think our batteries go in here, I imagine. Yeah, we have a space for our batteries. It did come with batteries, so it's going to use a couple of AAAs, and it gets about 14 hours worth of charge. I should probably get some rechargeable batteries. I forgot about that. So we'll see how long these actually last. We'll just throw these in here. These are, the batteries weigh about as much as the actual recorder itself. So once you put the batteries in there, okay, there's quite a bit more heft to it now that the batteries are in there. So yeah, I could definitely feel it now. Next we have, people were saying online that it didn't come with a USB-C cable, but let's see. All right, here, oh, this is the lavalier microphone right here. A little tiny mic. Ooh, a couple of pop filters. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a dead cat for it. We'll do that in another video. But we've got a little 3 pop filters. So quite a few of them. They just slip right on here. There's a little lip on here that they'll slide over. That's kind of cool. Kind of hold it on there a little bit better. Looks like so. Once you get that. And then there's a little gator clip. Oh, falling over. So 2 of those. Those can be easily lost, I'm sure. How does this connect up? This probably clips. Oh, the lip is for the gator clip. I see. And then it just kind of slips on. Okay, so that lip doesn't actually hold on the pop filter. The pop filter just slides in, then it clips into a gator clip, little plastic clip that you can just clip onto your lapel, I guess, or your shirt. Slip it on like that. Plug it in. You got your locking thing right here. Plug it into the input. There you go. Got your little Zoom F2. So this has been an unboxing of the Zoom F2, and that's really everything that's in the box. So it did come with AA batteries, just alkaline batteries. A couple of extra little pop filters. I'm not sure if I'm ever going to use those ever again, but we got them. And I'll keep all the packaging just in case something breaks or we need to return it or whatnot. But that's really it. Comes in a really large box. Like I said, I just did the Osmo Action. The Osmo Action box is much smaller than than the sound in the Zoom F2. This thing came in a pretty large package for this tiny little thing. This has been the unboxing of the Zoom F2 field recorder, and I will be recording with this later, and we'll get a little bit more detail there. But thanks for watching, and take care.